gonna tell you right now, this could fuck you because if you're stubborn and thick-headed like me, when you're like, no, 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 this is happening, it could fuck you because you don't realize you're wrong. Cut it, right? It can fuck you. But I envision something. I see what I see. I'm just under the I'm just under the impression this is what's playing out. So it could be my stubbornness, my thick-headedness, or whatever the fuck that's getting me through the trade of when I'm correct, right? Now, what has to come into play is, all right, well, that's your envision, but where does your envision basically null and void, like wrong? I'm going to tell you now, I am always a little late on invalidation. Because I let price play out a little bit more than maybe I should. I always tell you guys I'm not concerned with top ticking, bottom ticking, and capturing every dollar. I'm just concerned with the meat of the move. So I know like Denny was fucking trading his P&L the other day. It's 600%. I think I should close it. And I'm like, does the chart say you should close it? Or does you looking at a 600% P&L make you feel like you gotta close it because you're up 600%? I don't look at P&L. I don't look at P&L percent. I don't look at the dollar amount. Uh, I do this like a sport. I do this like a video game. I don't give a fuck about none of that. So, like, I feel like what you're saying, a lot of what you're saying has to do with the P&L swings. Now, obviously, I'm a human, and if I see my shit fluctuate 200, 300% ROI, and I'm up 400, 600% ROI, and now I'm up 300% ROI, or whatever the fuck, does it get me on edge? It does get me on edge. Of course it gets me on edge. And then I gotta walk around, pace back and forth, eat a Zyn, smoke some weed, and really reflect on everything. And I need to figure it the fuck out. There's no, whoever tells you they have like this perfect fucking like system and shit, and they're like mad robotic, respect to them if they are that. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. You're a human. You have flaws. You were born flawed. So, unless you're some perfect fucking person, I don't believe you. I think you're lying.
Yeah, I'd agree. Cool, man. Yeah, I think I just see those swings and my brain is like, whoa.
Yeah, yeah. And then the other thing is, I mean, I normally like yes, I have 30-minute charts on my screens, but my a lot of my judgment on what I'm looking at comes from 2 hour, 8 hour, custom time frame, 3 day, weekly, and monthlies. So like a large swing to someone on a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, to me looks like a little blip on the 8 hour.
Yeah, that's and I think I said it before. I'm always trying not to look at stuff basically under the daily, especially if I'm trading weekly charts, you know? So I
Right,
just fake myself out.
right. Like okay, so let's say you're trading weekly charts and shit like that. The lower time frames can just help with precision, right? That's really what the lower time frame is for me is for more precision on my entry. It's not even about my exit.